In this video, I'm going to show you guys an extra course that I added for a student. It's Maths Grade 10, and I'm logged into the desktop application at the moment, and I'm logged in as a student. So I'm just going to go into this math course. When logged into this math course, we can see here's our announcements, just like the other courses I showed you. And here is our download or quick mode example. The teacher has uploaded a video file. She's uploaded it to PDFs, and the student can now download these PDFs and video file and sync it to their mobile device or to their laptop and go and watch offline or watch it online. And again, I've got an interactive way training as well to show you guys. Let's just sync this course again like I showed you before. So what I'll go do, I will click on show download options, and I can see I can download all of this information here. Download. So you can see it's starting to download all of the sections, all of the information to the desktop app. So I can see it's almost finished. I've got my green cloud saying that the data is now on my desktop app. Okay, the whole course is downloaded to my machine, so I can remove this machine from the internet and go and do this course offline. If I went to the school and climbed on the Wi-Fi and synced this course, I can now go home and go and do my homework. Just an option here, if I click here, I download a complete course. Here I can select certain areas to download. And here I can just check and manage my storage. So I can see this whole course was 21.61 megabytes. This is the quick mode one. And you will see that the interactive mode one is actually smaller, a lot smaller than this one here. It's only 2.23 megabytes. So I downloaded 24 megabytes for this course. And I can go and delete them if I don't want them. It won't delete the courses from the LMS system, it will just delete the data from the app. If I click on this part here, it's going to want to open this file. And this is a video that the teacher has created.
Ons kyk nou na die middelpuntsformule van analitiese meetkunde en heel eerste is daar 'n paar vragies vir jou om te doen. Gelyk aan die y-waarde. Ons nou sien dat 5.
That video was on my desktop now because it's synced it from the LMS system. Here's a PDF document. If I click on it, it's going to want to open the PDF document. Let's click there. It's a PDF document for me. So again, it's on my computer because I synced the data. So let's go back. I want to show you guys how we can change this video where the teacher just talked about the course, and she actually did a nice way. She used her cursor to show the students what she was talking about and explain the stuff. So I just want to show you how you can do it in the interactive mode. So let me click here. In the interactive mode, all I did is I took the teacher's course and I made it a little bit more interesting by adding some activities within the video where she couldn't do it before because she didn't have the software. So let's play it quickly.
Ons kyk nou na die middelpuntsformule van analitiese meetkunde en heel eerste is daar 'n paar vragies vir jou om te doen. So ons het hier 'n kartesiese vlak en op die kartesiese vlak.
What I'm going to do, I'm just going to pause the video until it gets to this. See this part here is the interactive way. So what's happening here, the teacher is explaining the math problem, and when it comes to this point here, it's going to ask the student some questions about what she just taught them. So I paused it for a while. So what you're going to see is when I play it now, as soon as the video gets to this point here, there's something going to pop up on the screen.
Ja, nou die eerste vragie sê ons moet die koördinate van M gaan neem.
Okay, what's happening here is the teacher's asking a question about what she just taught, and it's asking what is the value of M. So I'm just going to quickly fill it in. Check my answer. The system, I can't go on until I've checked my answer. If it's incorrect, I'm going to have to try it over and over again before I can go on with the lesson. It says I'm 100% scored. Well done. I click continue.
Skryf. So as jy nou kyk na die koördinate van M, die koördinate van M is 4 en 2, want sy x-waarde is 4 en sy y-waarde is 2.
So it's going to get to the next part here where my mouse is. And when it gets there, it's going to ask us another question.
Die tweede vraagie sê, vraag B, bereken die x-waarde van A plus die x-waarde van B.
Okay, so here's our next question. There's a spelling error there. So if I get it wrong, it's going to tell me I have to do it over. So let's get it wrong quickly. It's going to tell me, okay, listen here. Not everything is right. We can retry. And now I can continue.
En dan deel ons dit deur 2. So die x-waarde van A is 1, die x-waarde van B is.
So what I'm going to do, just going to pause the video until it gets here until the next exercise. I just want to show you guys something. I can't move it with my mouse. The navigation is disabled. So the student has to watch the video completely through to get to the end result. Okay, so we're almost at the task. Let me just play it further.
Punt 2.1 is en B wat by punt 8.3 is en hulle vra vir my om die koördinate van M wat die middelpunt van A en B is neer te skryf.
Okay, so what it's doing now, it's just changed the question type, so it's an ABC type of question. So different kind of testing and elements can be put into the interactive video, and you have to choose the right answer. I think it's 5 and 2, but let's just check a wrong one. Let's say retry, and it's going to mix it up as well. So if I say, see now 6 and 8 is on top, and then I mixed it, 6 and 8 is down below now. Okay, so now I can go on.
Nou ek kan sien dat M se x-waarde 5 is en sy y-waarde.
So I don't want to go through the whole lesson. So what I'm going to do is, at the end of this lesson, you can give me a summary as well of all the questions I've answered and how I did. So let's just go back. Another interactive feature that's very nice is what we call the virus editor. In this video, I'm just going to show you guys what the virus editor can do. The virus editor is available in math type and chemistry type. It's easier to show you guys to try and explain it. The virus editor makes it possible for us in math to do a very advanced type of math equations, and makes it possible to use different functions of the editor. So let me just play this. So you can see here I can write with my mouse or my finger if I'm using a mobile app or a mobile tablet, and it recognizes what I actually wrote on the screen, and I can check the answer. It says the answer is correctly. Let me do it in another way. Yeah, I'm gonna type the answer now in the editor instead of using my finger on the tablet. Okay, let's move to the next video. So here, this is the editor that the student can use to select different types. So let's just play this one. So again, I can use my finger on the screen if it's a touch screen. And even if I make a error like that, it's going to recognize it now as a H. I can say this thing, it's not the H, it's supposed to be a pi, so I can undo, and I can do a better pi. Let's check our answers. There, it's recognized it in the corner. And I can also type it in the editor using these functions here. In this second last video, I'm going to show you guys just how the editor looks. Click there, you can see there's different functions to the editor. There's more functions underneath every arrow. And let's do that sum. Let's do another one. And also, if I do something incorrectly, the system will also show me if I've done a sum incorrect. So I'm going to do 1 or 2 incorrect as well for you. Okay, let's do this one incorrectly. So you can just see that it can also show me if I've done something wrong. And do another one. Now here you will see if I make a few mistakes, I can use the back button. So let me just make a few mistakes quickly and see. Then I can go to my back function or my undo, this button here, and I can go and undo. Okay, so the last part of this video, I want to show you how the capability of the wireless editor for chemistry is. Although it's not part of math, just going to throw it in here. So I'm just going to click there and go to my chemistry editor. And you can see that the chemistry editor also has extra functions, so you can do complicated chemistry equations as well.